Hello, my name is Dr. Kathleen Van Cleef and I'm an Associate Professor at Durham University. In this short video, I want to introduce to you the Birmingham Object Recognition Battery, or the BORB. So, the BORB, or the Birmingham Object Recognition Battery, is a book. It's a book with a whole series of tasks that follow the different steps in visual perception. If you want to learn more about different steps of visual perception, you can check out our other videos. But basically, it starts with simple identification of features. For instance, in the BORB, there's a task on line detection. So you have to tell which line is longest. Another simple feature is size, for instance. So in the BORB, you will have circles and have to indicate which are the same size. And then the next step is combining these features, so that links into things like apperceptive agnosia. And for that, there are tasks like overlapping figures and letters. So here, for instance, you see a page with letters that people need to identify. Either they are just printed next to each other, or they're printed overlapping, making it a bit more difficult and you need more segmentation. Following that, the next stage in visual processing is understanding from which viewpoint things are taken and mapping different views of an object into the same object. So an example of a task is this one, where people have to identify which of the bottom pictures is the same object as the top one, but both are shown from a different viewpoint. And then once you kind of know what the object is, what you're looking at, you then link that to knowledge you have about objects in your memory, so semantic information. And here is a task related to that. So people have to pick which of the bottom pictures is semantically related to the top picture. So this as a few examples of tasks included in the Birmingham Object Recognition Battery. Let's have a look at the science behind it. So first of all, a standardized test means that it can be done in the same way for every patient and that there are clear cutoff scores for normal performance. So for this, the test needs very clear instructions, which are included in the book, and it also needs normative data of healthy volunteers. That last condition is not quite met for all the different tasks. Some only have data of about 8 healthy volunteers, so it's quite hard to judge whether your patient is actually scoring in the normal range. Unfortunately, there is no research available on the reliability and the validity of the BORB, so we don't know. Okay, thank you for joining us again today to talk about the BORB. If you want to hear about other assessment instruments or conditions of visual perception, check out other videos. Thank you.